What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 3. As promised, the first ride on the ARacer 5. Alrighty, so here we are. We've plugged. Now it's time to play. So you have it on the bike. At this point, you've probably tried to sync it up, but you turn it on. It'll sync up usually. If not, swipe over, go into settings, click on blink, and it'll link right up for you. But let's fire up. Now I've been playing with it a little bit, sitting and idling and whatnot, and I noticed the one AFR setting never really changes. It always sticks at 13.3, and that'll be this one right here. It'll get there, and then it won't move from there. And I take it that might be the closed loop tuning that the stock EC or the stock O2 sensor does with it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not a motorcycle tech guy like that, as I told you. It's old Joe Schmo showing you guys what you get on the ARacer 5. But anyway, let's get on this ride so you can see just what happens. Oh, we'll look at the other view here. Monitor light for you real quick. Looks like this. If you turn it sideways, I'll see if it works. Hopefully I can put this up on the screen for you as well. But if you turn it sideways, this doesn't want to cooperate. Well, if you turn it sideways, you should get another view. I don't know. It might. It doesn't want to be friendly right now. Oh, of course, there it went. Okay. So if you turn it sideways, you can get that view there. But anyway, we'll mess with that later. Let's get on this ride. I'm going to put it back in this view. But my favorite thing, if I haven't said it already, is being able to see the engine temperature. Because when you're riding around in the summertime and you're ripping on this thing, and they get hot, and it's just good to know what kind of engine temperature you're working with. But yeah, let's take a short little cruise, just so you can watch the little needle jump around a little bit, and see how you really don't get too much with the base app. It's cool that like I said, the main thing about it, you get your temperature. So even if you bought this to plug and play, the huge benefit you're getting is knowing what kind of temperature you're running on your engine. Get your battery voltage, yeah. But as I said, for the most part, I guess it does change a little bit. Usually it just sticks at 13. But 12.8 is fine with me. It's a little more on the richer side of fuel. Oh yeah, that's right. I changed my base map since I've been messing with it. I did richen it up a little bit, so that's why. So I'm actually, it could be a little leaner. 13. No, I'm okay with it. Sick part is I met another Z125 out here. They actually live right over here. He's got his done all up with the racing seat and whatnot. I was happy I got to sit on it because I'm really not a fan. It changes the riding position up. So yeah, this isn't going to be much of a ride at all. And this is literally for you guys just to get a first view impression of what this thing looks like when you fire it up. Let's do this on the ride. Different view. can't wait for them to come out with an update, though, so you can get miles per hour. Because right now, all it is going to be is kilometers per hour. And unless you know how to do the math like that in your head, you really don't know. That's why I went back to stock gearing, so I know my speed again. I've been trying to mess with the speed healer. Well, at some point, I'm going to mess with the speed healer to see if it'll, allow me to adjust the speedometer, but it's going to be kind of hard being in kilometers an hour. So yeah, ARacer, update, please come out with one soon. Miles per hour. Give us American guys something to really see and visualize. But you definitely got more like torque with this new whatever map, and then like my slight riching up. Because as we learned in the previous video, you can make changes if you buy the Pro app. You don't have to have the AF1 or the AFI to be able to make changes. That's just the auto tune. You can buy this if you wanted to and play around with fueling, and I guess if you wanted to cheat and ride around and, I don't know, screen record and watch your air-fuel ratios and stuff, I don't know how you would do it. So we change lanes, start to bring this video to an end. Like I said, just a short first ride on the ARacer 5. You get to see everything that it displays. It's not in sync to the T. As you can see, the gear, now I'm in third gear. I was in fourth gear. Now I'm in second. First. It takes time to catch up. But hey, everything's not perfect in this world, as we know, so I'll deal with it. In second gear, it hadn't changed yet. Third gear, now it's a little slow in that aspect, but maybe it's better if you get the quick shifter module that they have for it. Might sync it all in and everything, but hey, I'm happy with it. I have no complaints whatsoever. Well, if you haven't done so already, hit that thumbs up if you thought the information I provided to you. Just being able to get the first view is good. If you're not part of the family yet, subscribe. I got many more videos coming to you. Until next time, episode 3, another series, or another episode in the series on the ARacer 5.